Alright guys, we're going to fly the Futura 64mm 4S 14.8 2200. 5 minutes on the clock. We don't need flaps because there's plenty of wind.
Takeoff flaps. Brakes on.
I might use them when I come down though. Alright, here we go. We're up.
3D mode.
It's one of my favorite things to do. Dead stick it. I love doing this. Nice roll.
Safety switch on.
Bring it around. I got a red one and a yellow one. The only one I don't have is the green one. I love the green one, but it was too expensive. They always have that one so much higher. See if I can do a nice touch and go. Oh yeah, beautiful. They always have that one so much more expensive for some reason. Let's do another dead stick.
3D mode.
Woo! Beautiful.
Safety switch on.
I love doing that. My favorite thing to do with jets. Yeah, the green one's always the most expensive for some reason. I picked up this one, I can't remember, but I got the yellow one off of Banggood, I think it is. I picked that up for $120, I think it was $124. It was dirt cheap. And that's with all the, alright. Another plane in the air now, Tim's flying. So I have to be careful. But yeah, the green one's always seems to be the most expensive one, but I got the red and yellow one. So. Woo! Oh, right. Waiting for the last second to take off on that one. Alright, let's dead stick it.
3 minutes.
Wow. There we go. Do a roll. Woo!
Safety switch on.
I think we got less than 3 minutes on the clock. Yeah, me and Tim are the only ones here. We're at Aeromodelers in Avon Park today. Sunny. Winds are probably like 15 miles an hour out of the east. I thought I'd have trouble landing in this way, but I don't think I'm going to. Look at that. Beautiful.
3D mode.
Dead stick it. Tim's up there. Whoa!
Safety switch
He was
on.
nowhere near me. Two minutes left on the clock.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
If you enjoy the video, please hit the like. Please subscribe. I think I only have like 30 subscribers. I'd love to have more.
3D mode.
Dead stick it. Let's do a dead stop. Almost a dead stop in the air.
Safety
The
switch
battery
on.
just makes a drop. The weight of that battery in the front. Oh, we got 1 minute left. Let's do one more dead
3D
stick.
mode.
Ooh. That was more of a loop than a dead stick.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Alright, we'll bring it in for the landing now. I'm doing perfect touch and go, so Shouldn't have any problem landing it. I say that now. And you want it to mess up. Here we go. Coming up that landing, Tim. Smooth as butter. Oh yeah. No flaps necessary at all. Beautiful flight. Beautiful flight. Yeah, my buddy Jerry 3D printed this for me. It keeps this wheel and this bar from bending back. I don't know if anybody else has that problem, but mine was bending back a lot. So I just used hot glue on the bottom of it to keep it on there real good. And it helps a lot. He made back ones for the back wheels too, but I don't ever bend those. I just bend that front one all the time. So I have one on this one and my yellow one. If you ever, I'll do the, I don't think I posted any videos of me flying the yellow one. There might be some from Play of Fantasy on my channel, but I'm not sure. I can't remember. So, alright. Appreciate everybody watching.